Hello and good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing great at home. Today we are still learning Unit 6 Go Green in your English Year 6 textbook, and focus skill is grammar, that is present continuous tense. And you are learning English with me, teacher Lily. Learning standards for this lesson is 5.1.3, able to use verbs correctly and appropriately, and learning objectives are, by the end of the lesson, people should be able to, number 1, read and choose the correct answer for all sentences, and number 2, write at least 3 sentences using present continuous tense. So before we begin, let us watch a video.
Hello, I'm here to help you with present continuous questions.
Present continuous questions. Is the monkey jumping?
Yes, the monkey is jumping. It is jumping. Question: Is it jumping? Is it jumping?
Short answers. Is it jumping?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So this is present continuous questions, and we are learning this in our next slide, present continuous tense. Okay, let us read together. Okay, this is pronouns he, she, it, and everyone, and is verb to be, and swimming is a noun. So how you use present continuous tense? It is to put ing at the back of the verb. Okay, this is verb, but when you write it swimming, it is we call it noun. So he is swimming. He is swimming. We cannot write he is swim, but we must add ing for present continuous tense. Okay, the second one is she is swimming, it is swimming, and everyone is swimming. So this is present continuous tense for he, she, it, and everyone. Okay, alright? And he, you can change it to a name. For example, Ahmad. And she, you can change it to maybe Sheila, or it, the dog. Okay? So the verb to be is, and noun is swimming. Make sure you put ing at the back of the word. Okay, so this is for is. Next one is for are. Okay, you look at the pronouns. It is changing to you, we, they, and the name of things. That is the dogs. Okay, the dogs. You, we, they, and the dogs. If it's the dog, only one dog, we use is, but this is more than one, so we use are. So it is still the same as now. You are swimming, we are swimming, and they are swimming, and the dogs are swimming. Okay, it's almost the same, only this is more than one. We, they, and the dogs are more than one, and you have to use are. You cannot use you is. Okay, we have to use you are. All right, so we have learned about this. He, she, it, everyone using is, and next one is you, we, they, the dogs using are. Make sure you put ing at the back of the word. And next one, how are you going to use I? Okay, so I, you use am. Okay, the verb to be is am. I am swimming. I am swimming. Alright, so we have learned he, she, it, everyone, and also just now you, we, they, the dogs or the cats. And now we are learning I. I, you have to use am. You don't put I is or I am swimming, but you put I am swimming. This is very easy. Present continuous tense is very easy. Alright, so next one. Okay, when to use present continuous tense? When are you going to use it? Okay, number one, to refer to things happening now. It's happening now, right now. For example, me. I am talking. I am teaching. Alright, so now I am talking and I am also teaching and also I am sitting. Okay, so this is things that happening right now. Okay, look at example number one. I am having my lunch, meaning that I am having my lunch right now. Okay, I am eating. Alright. Okay, example number two. My cat is sleeping. My cat is sleeping. Okay, or you can use it is sleeping. It is sleeping. My cat is sleeping. Okay, it's the same. Alright. So this is referring to things that happening right now. And next one is number two. To refer to habits and things that happen over a period of time. For example, number one, she is having her lunch with her family at the restaurant. She is having her lunch with her family at the restaurant. Okay. Next example. My mother is sewing the clothes in the living room. My mother is sewing the clothes in the living room. Okay, this is maybe a habit or a thing that happened over a period of time. Right? So next example, next one is to refer to things in the near future. It's becoming later, not now but later. Okay, so we also use present continuous tense. Example 1, Aaron is going to Cebu tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow Aaron is going to Cebu. Okay, example number 2, they are having a birthday party at their house next week. Not this week, but next week. Not today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but next week. So it is future. In future, you also use present continuous tense. Okay, look example here. Aaron is going. They are having. Okay, do you understand? So we look at the first one just now. To refer to things happening now. I'm having my lunch. My cat is sleeping. And also to refer to habits and things that happen over a period of time. She is having her lunch with her family at the restaurant. My mother is sewing clothes in the living room. And also number 3, to refer to things in the near future. Aaron is going to Cebu tomorrow, or Connie is going to Sterian tomorrow. Right? They are having a birthday party at their house next week, or maybe next 2 weeks, or at the end of the month. You can change next week also here, right? Tomorrow you also can change. Maybe you can put Aaron is going to Cebu next Sunday. Okay, so do you understand? This is very easy. Present continuous tense is very easy. You just add ing to the verb and then it becomes nouns. Right? So let's practice. Underline the correct answer. She is or she are crying because she hurts her ankle. Okay, very good. She is crying because she hurts her ankle. Okay, number 2. He is talking to his friend. Number 3. You is or you are? Okay, remember? It is you are. You are not watching the movie. You are not watching the movie. Okay, number 4. The baby is or are? Okay, the baby is. The baby is sleeping in his crib. Okay, last one. Number 5. We. We is or we are? Of course, it is a are. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. So, this is very easy, right? She, he, is, The baby is, you are, and we are. Okay, so your next task is do the exercise on textbook page 58 and 59. You can use your grammar book later on. So you copy this inside your exercise book, page 58 and 59, and then after you finish, you can snap a picture and send it to me, and then you can send it to school after the school reopen later. No need to send it now, okay? So if you do not understand or you have any doubts, you can always ask me by messaging me. All right. So if you are not well at home, you can go to the hospital or clinic to check yourself. All right, because it's very dangerous right now. The situation here is quite not good. Okay, so please stay safe and take care. Wherever you are, please stay safe and do all the homework that teacher give to you. Thank you and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share my Teacher Lily YouTube channel. So that is all for today, class. Goodbye.